guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen. This is Beautiful Mess, and today's video is an ultimate declutter and clean with me. I needed to really hit the reset button on the house with having family staying with us and being really busy over the Easter weekend. So I took my last day off this weekend to clean everything. It had really gotten away from me. I'm pretty sure I did about 6 loads of laundry this day. So, who else had to do a really good clean after Easter? I know I can't be the only one. We were actually at 3 services for church, and we spent a lot of much needed time with family. So this is what I was dealing with. It was just out of control, and if you're wondering, no, I did not get all of this clean with the kids home. I actually took them to the sitter so that I could tackle this mess. But before I got started on everything else, I really needed to focus on the laundry room. You can see that it was just disastrous and you could barely walk in there, so I really just had to take the time to declutter this as the first thing on my to-do list. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing I had to do was just take everything out, and there were so many shoes that had accumulated and piled up in here just from changing and going to different places, and we just kind of shuffled them in here. And then we had a lot of bags that came in from the car, just things that we took to wherever we were going, extra clothes for the kids, things that they brought from family members' houses, all of the little Easter eggs that you see me dumping out, all of the candy. So it was just a lot of things that didn't belong in there, and then so many other things that I just really had to move out of the way so that I could just get a fresh start on the laundry. Then I just wiped down the washer and the dryer and the little counter area that I have there, and just got all of the gunk and dust that piled up on there. And this drawer, I really needed to declutter it. It just was not working. We had way too much stuff in it, and I really wanted to just keep it with the essentials of things that we would normally look for when we needed something. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that you can see how the laundry room turned out.
What can I do to make you stay a little longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a little longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
with you. Getting lost with you. One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good. Feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
So this is how my laundry room turned out. Now it's not anything fancy, but it is decluttered and it is organized and it is clean. So it's so much easier to come in here now. I still have so much that I would love to do to this space. Maybe a laundry makeover in the future. It has so much potential. And I really just need so much storage, but for now I am so happy with the way it turned out, and it just makes it much better coming in here and getting laundry done. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have a space in your house that you really need to declutter and is just getting on your nerves, I hope that this motivated you to get it done. Once you do, I promise you are going to feel so much better about your situation. I did not have to buy anything for this. It was just decluttering and reorganizing and cleaning the space. So if you liked what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you would consider subscribing to my channel, I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and God bless.